Hi, in this video, you'll get to know some key features of the Panasonic 4-in-1 combination oven with Airfryer, plus some tips for care and cleaning. To begin, make sure you consult your owner's manual or the Quick Start Guide for safety and food preparation instructions, and keep them handy for easy reference. Now let's get familiar with the display panel, which identifies programmed functions and progress including Airfryer features. After the first welcome message, setup is easy in imperial or metric measures and 3 language choices, simply by pressing the Start Select button, and so are the clock, kitchen timer, and child lock settings. When you're all set up, make sure your accessories, including the Airfryer basket, glass tray, wire rack, and enamel tray, have been washed by hand or in a dishwasher. Now let's get cooking by pressing the Airfryer Broil combo button. You'll see the time settings appear on the display panel. Your manual will tell you the time required to air fry your specified food. Then you program it by turning the Start Select button until the desired time is displayed. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just press Stop, Reset to clear it, and begin again. Place your food in the Airfryer basket, then press Start Select to begin. And if you want to stop air frying, press Stop, Reset anytime, once to pause or twice to clear. There, easy. When time is up, always use oven mitts to remove your food. Broiling, convection baking, and microwave cooking are just as easy. For broiling, simply press the Airfryer Broil combo button until the desired mode appears, then follow the prompts. To convection bake or microwave, press the corresponding button. Note that you should always clean the stainless steel cavity after cooking foods with grease. Now here's a great tip on how to keep the oven cavity clean and odor-free with its Auto Steam Clean program. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice to 1 1/4 cup of tap water in a microwavable container with at least 2 cups capacity. Press the Defrost Auto Cook button. Ensure your oven is in clock mode, then select the
Say hi to your new favorite cooking companion. GE's first ever countertop appliance with air fry, convection, grill, and microwave cook modes. Made to save you calories without sacrificing crunch. Made to save you time with a preset menu that has all your favorites. And made to save you space with all the functions you need in one conveniently sized microwave.
Bring a new level of multifunctionality to your kitchen with the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave Air Fryer Oven. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave Air Fryer Oven has a custom-engineered heater and fan designed for precision cooking. This versatile 0.6 cubic feet unit allows you to microwave, air fry, and convection bake with functions and presets that take the guesswork out of cooking. With 1,500 watts of power, the air frying function uses significantly less oil to bring optimal nutrition and superior flavor to your favorite foods. The presets are programmed for time, temperature, and fresh or frozen foods. Use the basket to air fry up to 2 pounds of chicken wings using the wing preset button. Then air fry some side dishes using the fry or snacks presets. This 700-watt microwave is programmed to cook a variety of foods by using professionally recommended power levels and cooking times. Use the control panel presets to microwave popcorn, potato, veggie, beverage, melt or soften, and reheat. Choose from 11 power levels or use the microwave preset functions to create delicious dishes. Defrost frozen foods by time or weight for when you are in a hurry and need a quick weeknight dinner. Use the stage cooking function to automatically shift between cooking methods in a sequence you select for dishes that require more than one setting. Combi Cooking offers you the option to use microwave energy along with the oven or air fry feature. Cook with speed and accuracy while browning and crisping to perfection. To customize your cooking needs, use the selector dial to manually program your desired temperature or power level and time. This multifunction appliance is equipped with sleek touchpad controls and a stainless steel interior that does not absorb odors and is easy to clean. Simply wipe down the interior and exterior of the unit with a damp cloth after use. Air fry, roast, bake, and reheat with the Cuisinart 3.
This air fry basket, I was able to fit 10 normal sized chicken drumsticks. I used the chicken wing air fry preset, so it's about 20 minutes, and they came out perfect. So they were nice and crispy exterior and really juicy inside. I should note that it is very important that you use the pan at the bottom whenever you're air frying something, because juices will fall down from things like chicken, or if you've got something battered, just so it drips, so it doesn't drip on the turntable and make a mess all over the microwave, and makes it really clean and tidy. For the air fry function, I also tried frozen foods that we all love. I'm sure that anyone who has kids knows that sometimes dinner consists of French fries and chicken nuggets and things like that. So I did French fries and chicken nuggets a few times. I did some right before shooting this video, so they're nice golden brown. These are smaller French fries than normal, so the preset for fries is 20 minutes. I actually just cooked these for 10 minutes and they came out perfect. But it's great because you just press air fry, fries, pop it in, and you're good to go. I also did things like fresh vegetable spring rolls, which again came out golden brown and perfect. Air fry was about 10 minutes for those. We had barbecued some wings one night, and the next day for lunch I used the reheat function here, or rather I used air fry just to give them a nice crisp exterior and reheat them at the same time. For the microwave function, I did a few different things. I tried a broccoli dish, just some roasted broccoli to go along with the chicken drumsticks that I mentioned. And I also did a recipe that actually included in the manual for maple cinnamon oatmeal. So everything in a dish, pop it in, and it came out perfectly as well. Worked really well. So anything you can do with your microwave now you can do with this, and anything you can do with a typical air fryer you can do with this. Everything, as I mentioned, is operated here, so the turn dial operates everything. So if you were to choose microwave and you choose your time, 40 seconds, you press it in, it's going to say 10p, and it will go from 0 up to 10. So 10p is high temperature. As you go down, that adjusts the temperature accordingly, all the way down to just a low defrost. So for this kind of stuff, you'd have to consult the manual. After a while, you probably get pretty familiarized with the manual, and then you'll remember what everything is. But like most microwaves, you probably only use high and defrost most of the time anyway. So the stop clear. At any time during an air fry, by the way, you can just press the stop clear button, open the door, check on the food, close it back, and start it up again. There's also a plus 30-second button, which is a great quick press button when you just want to let something heat up a little bit more. And that is pretty much it. So you can read more details and see some wonderful pictures of all the delicious food that I cooked and reheated in this small appliance on the Best Buy blog.
Breville Smart Oven Air with Super Convection is a real superhero. The power of Super Convection generates extreme air circulation for fast and even cooking. It reduces cooking time by 30% and makes techniques like air frying, dehydrating, roasting or proofing super simple. It's supersized, 1 cubic foot, and allows you to roast a perfectly brown 14-pound turkey. It also fits a 5-quart Dutch oven, most 9 by 13-inch pans, standard 12-cup muffin trays, and 9 slices of toast. Our Element IQ technology uses 6 independent quartz heating elements to move the power where it's needed most, above and below the food. Advanced PID temperature control reduces overshoot to deliver precise and stable cooking temperatures. With 13 easy-to-use pre-programmed settings and interface and suggested positioning on the oven door, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. Let's roast a 14-pound turkey. First, select the roast function, then temperature, and lastly, set the time. I've placed the turkey in a roasting pan in the correct rack position. Allow it to rest and you will have the perfect roast. Super succulent turkey. For those of you who love healthier, guilt-free cooking, you can now air fry. High heat and super convection maximizes airflow for fast and crispy food. Select the air fry setting, pop the fries in the air fry basket and place in the smart oven. Crunchy, moreish, healthier air-fried French fries and other family favourites are only minutes away. Super Convection also makes dehydrating super simple. Temperatures can be set as low as 83 degrees for precise, low and stable heat. Select Dehydrate, confirm temperature and time and press Start. Place your preferred slices of fruit or vegetables in the dehydrate basket. I simply start dehydrating after the kids go to bed and the next morning I've got lovely, healthy snacks. The low temperature control paired with Super Convection creates ideal conditions for proofing bread, rolls, pizza and more. Select the proof setting, confirm the temperature and time and press Start. The proof is in the dough. Using the dedicated slow cooker function, it makes tender and flavourful stews and casseroles. I press Start in the morning and when I come home from work, I have dinner done. Super flavour, super slow. The Breville Smart Oven Air does so many things better. It toasts more evenly. It bakes moist and delicious cakes, muffins and mouth-watering pies and cookies. With the pizza setting, you could have fresh homemade pizza in the same amount of time it would take to order it in. It can reheat leftovers, keep a meal warm without drying it out, and Phase Cook allows you to set programs back to back. Bake your lasagna and broil the topping automatically. For more ideas, tips and inspiration, why not explore our online recipe collection? It'll help you achieve super results. With Super Convection and more function, it quite simply is my super-powered countertop hero.